I'm in the business store around. Not like that, but I don't think they do that, but don't want they dumping.
Alright, so I'm gonna say this on my channel too, but I'm doing a giveaway. I don't know what it is quite yet, but
What's the day? Bye.
The riddle to the giveaway is.
We got to do a riddle again.
I know. I am first in heaven. I'm second. Wait. I am. Sorry. Redo the whole thing.
Why?
I am first on earth, second in heaven.
I
get here 2 times in a week. But yet you can only see me once in a year. Don't pause it yet. You can only see me once in a year. Oh. What am I?
But
you can only see me once in a year. But I'm in the middle of the sea.
Hey, President. Hey, Mom. I'm back. Well, I have to pick up. Oh my goodness! What is it? Oh. Okay, you need to do that. Okay, let's go to Sydney. I'm like more than more food.
Oh, my butt hurts.
Let's go. I'm right there.
I'm back. So yeah.
I'm gonna do this. Oh no, I didn't. Evil doors in. The back you.
So I'm looking around the house to see what I can give away.
Wait, did we wake up in?
Yeah, for whoever does the riddle.
Oh right. Now all we have to do is get wet. No, really.
I'll give away my sanity. No, I'm joking. I know, right, Mom?
I have to pay them for $20 an hour. I'm doing it. Wait, what? What?
Chicken.
No, wait. What did they?
Can't afford a sign on bonus.
Wow.
Can't afford a sign on bonus.
You don't pay them to work for this, do you? I don't realize I have $0. I have $0. I'm broke. You never go down. It might end up. That didn't do on my body. Don't be mean. I did that without to say bye. You know, don't be there, but hey, I do not in the video. They don't make you smack that like button. Smack that like button. The door. Smack that like button. The door.
Wait, already?
No, I never did in the other door. Alright.
Everybody, hey, well, happy quiet. I don't know if they can hear me, but I'm gonna give you all the choices. Look in the description of the choices, along with the riddle.
Beef!
So yeah.
Yeah. I had to go out my dad said that they were done with robbing my door.
And it's gonna be something simple.
Yung mapa?
Because, you know, the channel's not very big, so it can't be like, I'm giving away a MacBook Air.
Yeah. Wait. Hey, open the door.
I don't even have that.
What up to my dinner I'm on? Up to on my dinner I'm on? I need to name it episode. I need to name it episode. No, I'm not naming it episode. I need to name it a number. I need to put numbers in it. What episode I'm on? Yeah, this is the Utopia episode. I love it. Map up. But look, dude.
I'm giving away a MacBook Air.
Not really. We don't have them like that. OMG! Wow, guys. I had to say that. Don't see my producer but to me. It's kind of up. Wow, guys.
First person to get it right will get it, by the way. Just imagine if there's only one comment.
I'd be really mad, but won't be mad, but be like, oh my god. Yeah, that's a big puppy only one Thomas. Zero Thomas and the dad don't want to talk to me. Make sure little die to me, guys. You know I dropped my thing. I meant want my video and dumb me up and dumb it. Cause I really need them to do that. Yeah.
I'm giving away a marker.
Oh man, nice build! Get my water, Lunadon.
Yeah.
Lunadon.
What?
Get my water. Get my water. I'm having a nice little build. Lunadon. I'm right at that. I'm right at that. What? What? No. Is it? No. I need that much to do that. Did I do that now? Yeah, I did that now. Right now. Did that now. Oh, I don't have enough money. What these days? Luna don't remember that. Luna don't remember that. Look. No one that they need. What need to do? One in the tin. Dang it! I was about to fill up the other tail.
What?
Not that the day out of my door. Wait a minute.
Oh my goodness.
I'm
Hey!
down.
What? Hey! Come in. Oh my gosh.
Oh, two visitors that's in.
Oh, what? You could give us copyright.
I'll be back, guys.
Who give us the cop?
Hey everyone, I borrowed it to video table that was, I didn't die, I didn't warm up, I didn't warm up. I bought it to a video table and I bought it to videos, guys, and we had them coming over, fighting the dawn. And then I think it was part of a milk bell, right? If we didn't get this out, we probably been taken away. But probably about doing the other day, well, I did the dog. My mind not bad, you know.
We know that.
Lunadon, I almost there.
We know you're fine.
Yeah. Lunadon, I almost there. Almost there to the end of the office. That much I did, and I'm almost there. I did the double.
I'm giving away a cat.
No, we
I will
not.
never give you away, Casper.
No! I didn't die. Lunda, I didn't die. That was the warm up. Peter, I don't down there. I don't down there. There's no die no. Hey, Lunda, I didn't die.
Sure about that?
Yep. And I still didn't die. I didn't warm up again.
Make you die.
No, I didn't warm up. Okay, Lunda, it's over. There's not much I did in the oval. No, do it. There's not much I did in the done. Without dying. And then I do to die down. I don't get the thing that the phone. The dog wait to walk me into the house. Move on the help. I was in the office. Going to bump off. It beat me. Lunadon, it beat me to disobey. That not. Hey, anyone, I'm back. What about the losing? I'm a dog to go in. Oh, I don't know. Where am I did it? I'm gonna die. Who's that? Doesn't Dumpy. I'm alone today. Wait a minute. Be back. Yeah, I'll be right back. Didn't you do something? I'll be back again. Hang on, back. I put don't have it. Do that my thing.
Oh, my Lancer. Look at my screen, son.
What happened to those?
Look at my screen.
I did.
Oh, my goodness. Oh,
I got it back on.
this is crazy. Someone hacked it.
Don't have.
Oh, no. What's the wrong door?
I don't, but don't really hacked it.
We're not trying to do shit iron.
Yeah, we are. Bobby dude, I need to take the dog. I did it again! It's a bind me into the. I'll be back. Anyone a bat? Do people hope you watch it, but do a people what made this game? I think someone hacked it, right? Cause whenever I go and dump, it would bind me out of a wood and we die from someone. Someone hacked.
Try jumping.
Wait a minute, no, I'm telling them. People want made games to the bee bit this bottom. I don't know what happened, but bee bit it. Really bad. That you don't love this game and it messed up and done everything. Obama won't be happy. Right? Right, Lunadon? Don't be whatever what made it thing. You knew we don't know what was it then. Might update other thing, but you need stop on people and find a you need to be a bee. Right, Lunadon? So bye. Okay, bee bit there. Okay, anyway. Lunadon, where are you? What?
Driving a car.
What?
I'm driving a car to my house.
Where do I